Hi guys. Today we are going to be doing part 2 of Minecraft, our coding tutorial. So today we are going to work on getting blocks. So you can see those go away when we press play, but when we click the dirt, it gives us the blocks, and it looks super cool. But we can drag stuff. Oopsie. Okay. So I'm going to make this go right here. So I'm in this inventory really quick. I'm going to do forever go to my coordinates. You can do different coordinates also. So let's do, whoopsie, I touched both things. So that's kind of a weird glitch. So if you're touching both things like this, it gives you, so if you do this, it gives you both, which I think is still kind of cool. Like you can get double blocks, which is pretty fun. And then, so for now, we are just gonna start working on it. So cursor, you go into the cursor sprite, get your sky color, and fill the inside of it that color, so you can do the if touching color. So I did if touching colors, or so I had an and block, my colors in one piece of the and then mouse down in the other part. So I just did that. So I made 3 broadcasts. So four. I made broadcast stone, iron, dirt, and coal. So if touching these colors, it will broadcast those messages. So oopsie. And then stone 2, I'm switching the I'm going to tiles, go into iron, Control C, Control V. So stone 2, iron. Okay, so you have to touch the iron, or else it doesn't give you the iron. So you have to touch the tan color of the iron, and that's pretty hard. So on the iron one, you want it to go right there. So go to, my coordinates are 9 and negative 180. Okay. So I got stone, and I'm trying to get the iron. I got the iron, and I got the dirt. So for the code for that is when I receive, so for the dirt, I did when play click to go to back layer, hide. When I receive dirt, go to those coordinates that are right here, show, go to front layer. Then I have the same things, but just different coordinates and different broadcasts. So now I'm going to work on the iron, the coal. So when I receive coal, no, not dirt. When I receive coal, go to, sorry, I'm just going to hide the cursor real quick. And then the coordinates, go to X 45, Y negative 180. Okay, so I'm going to change the costume. Oops. Go into tiles, coal, Control C, Control V. Okay, so now I'm going to show the cursor. Whoops. Okay, coal. I'm going to rename it coal. Then I'm going to show the cursor. And now we can get blocks. But if you're touching the grass, it doesn't give you grass, because in Minecraft it just turns to dirt. So then I got the coal and I got the iron. And next part, which is part 4, I think, we're gonna work on getting more of them, like stacks. And so that's all for today. Next, we are going to do the I'm gonna fix the characters, movement. And yeah, so we are going to I'm going to recode the character so it's better and smoother, and we'll also code getting stacks in that part, and then the next part will be the crafting system, which is going to be really fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.